My main one is it's all about the community and how you bring a community together across the early learning, prenatal, to age 5 to 8, and the public education system, and how critical it is that they're in partnership together. My other takeaway is that San Bernardino County really does focus on collective impact, and the partnerships here are genuine, authentic, and deep. And because of that, you all are able to move forward in a way that I think we need to elevate more at the state level and listen and learn from what you have going on. I actually asked if we could come back and have some conversations and document a little bit, get some of the stories so we can put those in our best practices that we share out across the state.
We work so much at the state level on the various grant programs that are available for school districts, county offices of education, the local planning councils, resource and referral agencies. So actually it's starting to hear some of how those grant funds were impacting and helping build on the strong community you already have here in San Bernardino to really take that EPK planning and implementation to the next step. And that was very fun for me to hear.
I think one of the main things that I took away was the commitment that everyone has to providing comprehensive services and holistic support to families in our community.
So First 5 is involved in a lot of initiatives, and we touch kids 0 to 5. So everything we do is related to kids 0 to 5. But especially my work with Quality Start San Bernardino, one key takeaway from today is just how big collaboration plays in all the work that we do. And how important it is for folks to communicate and just continue to work together to move the work forward.
So working at the local level and making sure that our representatives are aware of the work that we're doing and also reaching out to the community is extremely important. Talking with local leaders, talking with local school districts. We talked about there's over 33 school districts in San Bernardino County. So there's a lot of convening that needs to take place, and having those conversations locally and bringing people together is going to be very important.
Anytime that San Bernardino County Superintendent of Schools can collaborate with our collective impact partners is a high priority for us. And so we know with the folks that were in the room with the forum, it was going to be really important for us to be here as one of those collective impact partners so that we can work together to continue to improve resources and support for our families with children 0 to 5.
So I'm involved with Quality Start San Bernardino, so I work with a lot of the partners that were going to be participating in the forum today, and also just looking forward to networking with those that I haven't had a chance to connect with. And then also First 5 was one of the sponsors for the event, so I thought it was important to be here.
I think one of the most meaningful things that we do is to collaborate to find the best fit for families. So sometimes it's with the LEA and special day class, sometimes it's in a part day program, a center-based program, a home-based program, a full-day program. And as children have to make those transitions, either because of their changing needs or the changing needs of the family, we all definitely try to work together so that the family and children are supported throughout that process.
Really looking at the mixed delivery task force that we're going to be putting together, pulling the correct people around that table, making sure that we have voice from all of our educational partners in order to continue that conversation and really hear what the needs are. We are in a unique position to be able to convene that group, listen, and then put some things in place, as well as consider how we might be advocates for San Bernardino County to continue that growth and that partnership so that we can serve our families and our children.
Having worked with a lot of these organizations and convening together through our IE Children's Cabinet, they bring up issues almost every day, right? Of different things that they think are important, and we know that they are. We've worked on different policies around student retention and specifically looking at expulsion, right? We had a discussion about expulsion today and the way that disproportionately affects children of color, right? So a lot of our work is deeply rooted in equity. So everything that we want to do, everything that we're working towards, we know that the value in it really isn't there if it's not equitable and it's not reaching everyone that it's supposed to reach. So that's the work that we want to be doing. You know, Dr. Carter said it best. We're bringing in people to have those meetings, to have those conversations. We want to make sure that, you know, all of these community leaders are talking with one another, right? Aside from that, you know, them knowing about the issues is also turning around and talking directly with our community, talking to parents, talking to providers, talking to students, talking to anyone who, you know, is impacted by policies either at the local level or at the state level, right? So we want to make sure that we're an advocate for them, and we also want to make sure that all of the executive directors and policy leaders in the region are working off information that is valid, right, and is appropriate for the communities that they're serving.